The course that we've got starting up is a course that's 6 lessons. Normally we charge $990 for a course of 5 weeks with all the videos that you can watch as many times as you want. So instead of a 5-week course for $990, you get 6 lessons and all the videos for only $390. That's what the offer's all about, and you just have to go to the page, which is dojo.zenart.com/paintinyourpjs. You can click through, sign up over there, and you'll be one of our lovely funsters for painting PJs. So this series of paintings is called Happy Paintings, because we want you to be having a happy time in your art session. You'll end up with 7 of these little beauties. Can you imagine that? So you have one of these, one of these, and 5 more. So, and then after that, it's a great idea if you haven't done watercolour before, join up with the watercolour class. So heaps and heaps of fun. Now remember, you don't have to have watercolours. You can use any medium that you want to. Don't forget as well, you're getting the premium classes for half the cost of the budget classes. So you're going to get all of the lessons recorded that you can play as many times as you want. You can stop and start, you know, paint each step, start the video again, paint the next step with me. We're going to be doing a flowers and vase in watercolour. We're going to be doing a beautiful drawing from nature one, which is pencil work, but detailed pencil work of beautiful items from nature. And then we're going to be doing an elephant from my photos that I took at the elephant sanctuary. We'll be painting a beautiful, colourful elephant in watercolour. Then we're going to paint your pet. So you can bring along your own photo in another lesson. Bring along your own photo of a pet. And then another lesson's going to be, we've got the birds one, and then boats and reflections in watercolour. So I think it's a really important thing for your sanity to have this time that you book in with yourself each week where you switch off and have a relaxed, fun, creative session. So that's why we're putting this up for people. Bye for now.